Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Japan candy box. I've done a few of these on my channel in the past and they're really fun. And they're actually doing a giveaway, so check out the link below if you'd like to enter for your chance to win a free box from them. So inside, the theme this month is Autumn Traditions. And they do have this nice little product card now. So it shows you all the different candies and snacks in there and a little bit more information about them. And subscriptions are pretty affordable, and they do ship worldwide, and it's free shipping, which I love. I hate paying for shipping. Ooh, so excited. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out, these little green snacks. Let's see. So yeah, obviously this stuff is not in English, so that's where this little product card comes in. You could also go to their website and see past boxes and the current box, and it does give you information about that as well. So this, it says it's matcha mochi. Hopefully I said that right. It's a traditional Japanese rice cake with a chewy texture. It looks like it has a filling. It is flavored with matcha green tea, which I do love. So that's awesome. Jackson's currently at school, but he's going to go nuts when he gets home and sees this. Oh, these looks like little chocolate covered little biscuits. Let's see what this says on the card. Yep, chocolate biscuits. Sometimes they look like little mushrooms. I've had those in the past. Those are really yummy. It's good chocolate. Next up, we have bourbon, choco, and pan. I'm not sure if I said that correct, but it says it's a traditional sweet bun from Japan covered with a thin layer of crispy crust. Cool. And there's also white chocolate filling inside. Ooh. Sounds really good. And we have this little guy. It's a sour apple paper candy. Feels kind of like just like a fruit roll-up kind of. It's thin. I do love green apples. I'm excited for that. Well, these are cute. Candy box. Looks like there's a little toothpick in there and then different colored candies. Mochi mixed flavor candy box. Comes with a toothpick, making it easier to pick one up and enjoy them. There is orange, cherry, banana, or apple flavors. This is super heavy. It says this is a caramel candy that's infused with bits of crunchy almonds. Yum. That looks really good. Ooh, and I see a lemon on here. I like lemon stuff. This is Heart Girls Treat Lemon Peppermint Gummy. It's a lemon gummy that's infused with peppermint, creating a fresh flavor combination. Interesting. Let's take a look at what those look like. Very squishy. Oh, I can smell it already. It almost reminds me of like a cough drop because it's minty, but it kind of has a little bit of the lemon flavoring. It's actually not bad though. I don't mind it. And I'm actually starting to get sick, so awesome. We got a couple more things in here. Oh, I think I've had these before. These are good. And it looks like they might be pineapple flavor, which I also love. This is High Chew Chewy Candy. And yep, it is pineapple flavored. It says it's a limited edition version made with real pineapples from Okinawa. This is cute. I love the graphics on the candy. That's probably my favorite part. It's a puffed corn snack available in countless flavors, but this one is cinnamon apple pie flavor, which also is a limited edition snack. Yum. And the last thing in here, let's see what this is. I believe this is the dango snack. Traditional Japanese dumpling made from millet flour and popular since the 1800s. Interesting. So that is what we got. I will show you this card so you can see what I'm reading from. Again, this is the September box. Gives you a little brief description of them all. And a little picture guide, which definitely helps. So I love that. So that is what came in this month's box. If you'd like to enter the giveaway, I have all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.